Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's weather update. Today we have a slight risk of severe weather across portions of northern and eastern North Dakota, much of the northern two-thirds of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin. We also have a slight risk of severe weather across portions of southeastern Montana, northeast Wyoming, and western South Dakota today, in the two yellow areas. We have a marginal risk covering much of the northern plains in the dark green. We also have a marginal risk of severe weather covering southeast Texas, central southern Louisiana, and southern Mississippi, and another marginal risk covering much of South Carolina. Looking at today's tornado threat, we have a little bit of an elevated tornado threat today across portions of Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin, with a 5% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a location. So be on the lookout for some isolated tornadoes, especially if you live in the brown area today. We have a 2% chance of tornadoes in the green area today. And then looking at the damaging wind threat, we have a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of a location across the two yellow areas today, a 5% chance in these three brown areas today. So make sure you look out for some isolated, scattered damaging wind gusts if you live in these areas. And looking at the hail threat, we have a 5% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the brown shaded region, and a 15% chance in the yellow shaded region today. So make sure you look out for some isolated, scattered, large hail if you live in these regions today. And once again, taking a look at the heat situation, we continue to have extreme heat across much of Texas, southwest Arizona, and now up to portions of the Central Plains, where down in the Texas area, especially around Austin, San Antonio, the heat indexes are expected to get up to 112 degrees today, with the air temperatures reaching anywhere from 105 to 108. So this is going to be very dangerous heat once again today across much of central and south Texas. And then towards the Arizona area, the temperatures are expected to reach 110 to 114 tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday. And then up towards the central plains toward Nebraska and Kansas, the heat indexes are going to range anywhere from 105 to 110 today today. So this heat is still going strong, especially across areas of Texas. So if you live in any of these heat advisories or excessive heat warnings, make sure you drink plenty of water, stay in the shade, and stay indoors as much as possible. Thanks for watching today's weather update. Make sure you prepare for severe weather if you live in the shade areas today. Have a wonderful day, my friends.